Hey moneymakers, it's your girl Ms.Tea, and welcome back to the channel where we talk faith, family, finances, and finding your freedom. If you're about living life on your terms and building real wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about making money, serious money. We're diving deep into 5 proven methods to generate an extra $6,000 a month. That's right, an extra $6,000. Imagine what that could do for you, paying off debt faster, investing more, that dream vacation you've always wanted. It's all within reach. We'll break down each method step by step, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to start building your own path to financial freedom. So, grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. First up, we're talking about a side hustle that can quickly turn into a 6-figure career: freelance writing. Now, before you skip ahead thinking, writing's not for me, hear me out. Freelance writing isn't just about crafting the next great American novel, although you could totally do that too. It's about using your words to help businesses connect with their audience. Think about it. Every website, every blog post, every product description you see online, that's all thanks to freelance writers. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world with just your laptop and an internet connection. Imagine waking up on the beach in Bali, sipping your coffee, and then spending a few hours writing for clients back home. That's the beauty of freelance writing. You get to design your ideal lifestyle. But how do you actually make money from it? Well, there are tons of platforms out there connecting businesses with freelance writers like Upwork, Fiverr, and Pro Blogger. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start pitching clients. And as you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start charging higher rates. I'm talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars per project. Next up, we're diving into the world of virtual assistants, or VAs for short. This is a fantastic option if you're super organized, love checking things off your to-do list, and want a side hustle that fits around your schedule. Think about all the tasks businesses need help with: managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, creating presentations. The list goes on and on. As a VA, you become the behind-the-scenes superhero, freeing up business owners to focus on what they do best. And just like freelance writing, you can do this from anywhere with an internet connection. You can find VA gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or even reach out directly to businesses you admire. The key here is to identify your strengths and niche down. Are you a social media whiz, a master organizer, an email marketing guru? Find your specialty and market yourself as the go-to expert in that area. As you gain experience and build relationships with clients, you can start charging premium rates. Some VAs even go on to build their own agencies, managing teams of virtual assistants and bringing in serious income. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite ways to generate passive income: blogging. Yes, you heard that right, passive income. That means you can literally be earning money while you sleep. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't blogging dead? Absolutely not. In fact, it's more alive than ever. Think about it. People are constantly searching for information online, looking for answers, solutions, and entertainment. That's where you come in. By creating valuable, engaging content around a topic you're passionate about, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your blog in a variety of ways. One way is through display advertising. As your blog traffic grows, you can partner with ad networks like Google AdSense and earn money every time someone clicks on an ad on your site. Another popular method is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services you love to your audience, and if they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. And let's not forget about sponsored posts. As your blog gains authority in your niche, brands will approach you to create sponsored content, paying you to share their products or services with your audience. Let's move on to a business model that's exploding in popularity: Amazon FBA, or fulfillment by Amazon. This is where you source or create your own products, send them to Amazon's warehouses, and let them handle all the storage, shipping, and customer service. The beauty of Amazon FBA is that you get to leverage Amazon's massive platform and customer base. Millions of people shop on Amazon every single day, so you're tapping into a huge potential market. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Graham, I don't have a product idea, and even if I did, I wouldn't know where to start. Don't worry, I've got you covered. There are tons of resources available to help you with product research, sourcing, and even manufacturing. You can find courses, communities, and even coaches who specialize in helping people launch successful Amazon FBA businesses. The key here is to find a product that solves a problem, fills a gap in the market, or simply brings joy to people's lives. Once you have your product, you create a listing on Amazon, send your inventory to their fulfillment centers, and start selling. Finally, let's talk about a more traditional way to generate passive income, renting out property. Now, this might seem out of reach for some of you, but it's more attainable than you might think. You don't need to be a real estate mogul with a portfolio of properties to get started. You can start small, even with just a spare room in your house or apartment. Platforms like Airbnb have made it incredibly easy to list your space and start earning money by hosting guests from all over the world. You get to set your own rates, choose your availability, and even screen potential guests to ensure they're a good fit for your space. And if you have a larger property like a basement suite or a detached garage, you can rent it out long-term to generate a consistent monthly income stream. This can be a fantastic way to cover your mortgage payments, supplement your income, or even achieve financial independence. Of course, there are some things to consider before you jump into the world of real estate investing, like property taxes, insurance, and potential maintenance costs. But with careful planning and research, renting out property can be a lucrative and rewarding way to build long-term wealth. There you have it, 5 proven methods to add an extra $6,000 to your monthly income. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The key is to choose a method that resonates with you. Take action and stay committed to your goals. The possibilities are endless if you're willing to put in the work. All right, moneymakers, that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you got some gems, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tip to level up your life. Remember, you don't have to hustle forever, just hustle smart. This is Ms.Tea reminding you to keep the faith, protect your peace, and secure that bag. Catch you in the next one.